online shoppers, it is time to upgrade my workout area, and I found the ideal mat to do so. This is the Gorilla Mat workout mat, and it is truly awesome. If you know anything about the Gorilla name, you know that their products are top quality standards. This is Gorilla's premium exercise mat. It's 6 feet long by 4 feet wide by a 1/4 inch thick, which makes it a great workout surface. Now I'm 5'6", and I wanted something where when I laid down on it to do floor work, my Pilates or my yoga, my toes and my hands weren't dangling off the end, and this is the ideal size for me. They have 2 other colors, a gray and a black. They also have a variety of different sizes if this isn't the size you want. Am I ever excited to get it out of the bag? Now, one of the things I liked about it was that it had this nice carry bag. It's got a cool little toggle at the top to draw it closed, and inside the bag is not only the mat, but you get a bonus towel as well with this kit. Now let's be honest, size is at a premium in most houses, and with this nice carry bag, I will be able to roll this up and tuck it into a corner when I'm not using it. This comes with this carry bag, with the mat, and with a yoga towel. It's got a little gorilla emblazoned on the mat. Good branding. Now it has these really nice Velcro straps, which I love because that's going to help me to roll it up and keep it stored nice and neat. And it's just a little hook and eye feed there, and like that. As well, the courtesy towel that they give you. This is great for when you start getting your sweat on. Really nice soft microfiber towel, really nice stitching all the way around, and this is great for mopping off the sweat from all the work I'm going to be doing. Who would have thought an exercise mat got me this excited? Now before I unroll it on the other side, I want you to take a look at this really nice non-slip surface back here. It actually looks like a bunch of little suction cups, and this is going to be a great surface to prevent the mat from slipping when I'm moving and getting my groove on and doing my exercise. There you have it. There is the mat. I love how much space I have on this. If I lay down, I definitely got my whole body stretched out on the mat, and that's pretty cool. This is going to be a great size for my yoga and my Pilates. The nice thing about those grips that I just showed you is that you can put this down on carpet, you can put it down on ceramic, on wood floors, on concrete, and it's really going to hold its position and give you the stability that you need to get a good workout without worrying that you're going to slip. Now, Gorilla has been featured in all kinds of magazines and in all kinds of different shows that talk about great exercise equipment, and that's why this was an easy purchase for me. I knew I was getting quality, durability, innovation, and design all in one awesome mat. Take a look at this. Look at that, a 1/4 inch thickness. The thickness of the mat is also really great for absorbing shock, and that goes a long way from helping to protect not only your joints, but your floors too. Before I pressed buy, I did do my research, and this is a piece of exercise equipment that people viewed as an investment, and they had nothing but good things to say about them. Super durable, stood up to the test of time, and I plan on putting this to the test. If you are looking for a great addition to your exercise room, this Gorilla mat is durable, it's thick and comfortable, it provides all kinds of cushioning, it's really easy to clean up, it's anti-stink, it has 3 different colors and 3 different sizes to choose from, as well as a great carry bag, straps to roll it up, and a complimentary towel for mopping up the sweat from all those really hard workouts that you're going to do on this mat. Definitely, this Gorilla mat is going to be a family favorite at my house.